Hi, friends!
Summerford, Newfoundland is a charming town on the central coast of Newfoundland with a rich history and a close-knit community. Summerford started out as a prosperous town, thriving on fishing and logging. It was a vibrant place with 3 churches that were filled every Sunday, showing how important religion was to the community. During World War I and World War II, many men from Summerford left to support the British side, as Newfoundland was still a British colony back then. This had a big impact on the town, as many capable men were away. In the early 1970s, the town hall was established. It served as a community hall, fire station, and library. At first, there was some resistance due to tax concerns, but it quickly became a vital part of the community. The local government includes a mayor, deputy mayor, and councillors. Healthcare has always been important in Summerford. In the 1960s, a clinic/house was built, and later, a full clinic was constructed to meet the needs of the growing population. Students here attend New World Island Academy, a K-12 school located along Route 340. Summerford's history reflects its strong ties to natural resources, religious life, and community development. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty and history of this charming town.